The DEWALT DCK2100P2 Flexvolt Advantage 20V is a powerful and versatile two-tool combo kit that includes the DCD999 20V Max 1/2-inch hammer drill and driver with Flexvolt Advantage technology. The standout feature of this kit is the significant power boost of up to 42% when paired with Flexvolt batteries, offering enhanced performance for demanding tasks. Both the cordless hammer drill and impact driver are compatible with all DEWALT 20V Max and Flexvolt batteries, providing flexibility and convenience for users who already have DEWALT batteries in their toolkit. One notable improvement is the 20x brighter LED on the DCD999 hammer drill, which provides enhanced lighting in dark or confined spaces compared to its predecessor, the DEWALT DCD985. The LED spotlight mode also includes a 20-minute shutoff function, contributing to extended work time in challenging conditions. The DCF887 impact driver adds versatility with its 3-speed settings, offering users the flexibility to adapt to various applications. The precision drive feature and speed 1 setting of the DCF887 impact driver is designed to prevent over-tightening of fasteners, providing added control and precision during tasks. The visibility is enhanced with 3 LEDs on the impact driver, eliminating shadows and offering a clear view of the work area for 20 seconds after the trigger is released. The kit includes 2 DCB205 20V Max 5.0 Ah batteries, a fast charger, DCB11066 amp charger, and a kit bag for easy storage and transportation. The DCD999 hammer drill is Tool Connect chip ready, allowing users to connect with the Tool Connect Site Manager app for added convenience. In terms of user feedback, the reviewer highlights the significant upgrade from an old Bosch brushed drill and driver, noting that the DEWALT set is less wobbly and delivers a lot more power. The only drawbacks mentioned are the lack of a hard moisture-resistant case and starter bits. The user addressed this by purchasing a T-stack case and a separate foam insert to protect the tools from humidity. The reviewer also shares their positive experience using the tools for brick and concrete projects, praising the drill for making holes for anchor screws and the impact driver for its torque settings. The inclusion of 2 5.0 Ah batteries and a charger in the kit is considered a valuable addition, especially when comparing the price of the kit to the bare tools and battery kit separately. Overall, the DEWALT DCK2100P2 Flexvolt Advantage 20V appears to be a solid choice for users seeking a high-performance and reliable cordless tool combo kit for various applications.